To get started, first, type your search. I will search for hoodies. Next, press on the extension. You have 5 functions available in this extension. I will use extract listings. As you can see, we extracted the items in this list. To extract more items, simply scroll down. And there you go. The more we scroll down, the more items we extract. Now, to export this, press Add to Export List. Then, press on the extension again. Then press Export. You can export it in many different ways. I will export it as HTML. After exporting the file, here is all the information we extracted. Let's try one more function. Let's say we want to get the reviews of this item. So, let's press on it. Then, let's go to Reviews. Then, press on the extension. As you can see, Extract Seller Reviews is now available. Let's press on that. And there you go. We extracted the reviews in this list. To extract more, simply scroll down. Now to export this, again, press Add to Export List, then press on the extension again, then press Export. And there you go. Here is all the information we extracted.